Hello friends, I hope you all are good and doing good in your life and working on your what you are and what you want to and give your efforts to in your work. One day you will get success. I hope. For this good thing we will start our topic. Today's topic, as you people are watching that, it's a div. So in HTML, div is very much important. Div is very much important. So we just simply define it, what is div and why we use the divs and what its attributes and what attribute have their properties and their proper attributes and with their attributes with their description. So let's get start with the definition of div. If I am for making some crunchy stuff to talk, it's tough to communicate it, where we will work on, and I genuinely want to explain in much better way to you guys. I want to share my knowledge what I have, and we will just start from gradually, and we gradually we work on some good and hard level. So these all are basic, and you have to know the basic, and div have a lot to contribution in this. So let's start with what is the div is used to define a section in HTML. Means what? It show a section like a cards. You if you use if you not use, it's okay, we will talk about later. So it's define a section, and on that section you can apply all the you can apply the what you want to format the text and all the CSS. So you know CSS is all about to design it. And just for this the and its closing tag is this. So every tag have the starting tag and closing, and so its closing tag is this and starting is this. So now we talk about the attribute of this. So it have two attributes, align and style. So align is specify the alignment of div, and is possible values, or matlab if its alignment have the possible values are like center, is it in center, center, left, right. These are the possible values of the your aligned attribute. And style have used to include inline cascading style sheet. So let's we just work on a simple example to move our editor, where we in last we do a lot. So just quickly remove all the excess stuff from here. So remove it, and this is also clean this. So now we have just nothing like except we have a simple. So go to our editor and just run it. So see that we have simple, but we have this, and just save it, and now we run here and see everything is gone. You have a blank because we work on div. So let's get started with the div. So first we have to define a div in the body section. So here we are just defining a body section div. Okay, we are creating two divs, by the way. So it's not a case sensitive, so it's not an issue for you. And the right, this is a div. Okay, now we just talk about the attribute of div. Okay, the attributes of the div. So first we have it's a style. So let's style it. Use style attributes. Okay, now what we have to use, background color be, I just stop. What is going, let's just, we have to write, I write the code. Style, use first div in style, background color is this, text align is this, and then close the opening tags. So let's save it and go to our, okay, just see there, you can see that there is a div having the color and its text is now in center. For the same we just work on another, so it's copy it. Okay, and text align is center, now with text align is left. Okay, so background color, okay, we green it. Okay, save it and now go to, so we have another div created, which is, this is the orange, and the same like we just check the next is v, and this was the left, and so text color is text alignment is right, right, and its color we give, color is blue. Okay, now save it and now run in our browser. So see here, how can you change the position of your text, and you can create height, width of the div also. So about that we learn in our next session. For that, bye bye, and subscribe my channel, don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.